Good afternoon. We are out on a mission today. We are going to a place called Paw Parking. Dogs who are up for fostering or adoption, and they need to be socialised. We're going to go and just play and have some fun with some pooches. We've arrived a little bit early, as we're only allowed to have 2 people in the Paw Parking place at one time. We have to wait. We're just walking down to where Paw Parking is now.
Been off the wheel. Now the tables have turned. Now I'm up all night.
Just do an exchange, say ta. Listen, have some fun. Hello. Oh, you're so lovely.
Tables have turned. Tables have turned. Tables have turned. Tables have turned. I used to be chill. Now I can't catch my breath. When you say my name, I feel tight in my chest. Can't handle the space. I need you here by my side. You make me sweat in the coldest of nights, yeah. I had control in the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned. Now I'm up all night. I'm picturing you acting like a fool. I'm on the other side. You're like a full moon.
New arrival today, so we're gonna go and see. He's gotta stay isolated before they can socialise with the other dogs. They have to have all their health checks.
Tables have turned. Feelings all turned upside down. I guess I'm the needy one now. Feelings all turned upside down. I guess I'm the needy one, needy. Now the tables have turned. Now I'm up all night. I'm picturing you acting like a fool. I'm on the other side. You're like a full moon, and I'm up all night.
Bye bye. Till next time. Till next